Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the reviews of a particular item on the Alibaba application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the home icon down below and select the product that you are interested in, either by typing in its name into the search bar at the top of the screen or select the product from your home page. Tap on its picture and then all you have to do is scrolling down till you find the reviews section. However, this particular product does not have any feedbacks yet. Here at this other product there are 12 reviews, as you can see. Tap on show all 12 reviews and you will be able to see all of the product reviews that other customers have given. Here you can read their feedbacks and their stars. As you can see, all of the customers have given the total 5 stars, and they also attached pictures about the product that they have ordered. So here you can check out all of the reviews that might be of your interest. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.